Are you a smart person or do you want to become a smart person? Then today's video is for you. Friends, normally we all want to become a smart person, right? So today I'm going to give you what are the characteristics of smart people. How do they behave? What are the qualities you should have if you want to become a smart person, right? So let us see what are those qualities or those characteristics of smart people, right? So before going in detail, I want all you to take notes, important notes, and stay till end of the video, right? So this video will help you if you really want to become a smart person, right? So when you think about a smart person, what are the thing comes in your mind? You will have a certain quality which comes in your mind, right? This is how the smart person normally behaves. So let us see what are the normal qualities which smart people will have. Let us see in detail. Okay, so the number one quality, they have a thirsty for information. Since smart people are the people who wanted to be successful, they always look for more knowledge, right? So they are actually thirsty for information. They would go and attend a lot of courses, they get a lot of trainings, they always try to develop their knowledge level and skill level, and also they read a lot of books, right? So these are very important, one of the very important quality of a smart person. So if you are someone who has that knowledge, you have the thirstiness for information, that means you are a smart person, right? So if you don't have, then you need to start building that habit. Then the second one, they are not shakable but not stubborn also. See, you cannot easily shake them. See, by maybe talking negatives or by some other influence, you cannot easily shake them. Same way, they're not stubborn also, where you, if the situation demands and if they understand that this change is required, this way I have to actually change, I need to shake, then they're ready for that. Correct. So this is another one good quality which all smart people have. So you also, so basically if you want to become smart person, you also should have that quality. And another very important quality what I have seen is they learn from mistakes and experience. So they know that mistakes are part of the journey. Mistakes are part of, because if you are making some mistakes, that means you're trying something, right? Sometimes it's not working properly, right? So that means mistakes are part of the life and mistakes will happen. Only thing, when the mistake happens, we should be try to understand something good from some learning from that, and we should not repeat that. We should not repeat the same mistake. So mistakes are the part of the life, and all the smart people normally try to learn from mistakes and experiences. So they will have a lot of experiences, so all these experience will be a learning for them. So this is another very important quality. And the next very important characteristics of smart people is they are not interested in small talks, because since they are smart people, they are not interested for any small talks are the talks which normally spend your time, take consume your more time, but it will not deliver any value to you. Correct. So smart people normally focus towards high value talk. They are not interested in small talks. So just do an analysis. How do you spend your time? Do you spend your more time on small talks, the talks which is not giving you any value addition? That means you are actually wasting time. So we should be focusing more towards high value talks, where we should be, that should give us some value addition. Correct. So focus on high value talks, not on small talks. And the next one what I want to say is they're open minded people. Smart people are always open minded people. They are open for everything, and they know always that there is a two side for each coin. Every coin have a two sides, so they normally try to see both the sides before giving any opinion or any judgmental things. Before that, they see both the sides, and they keep their mind open. They try to listen everyone, then they take an action. Correct. They are open minded people. Then the very important another point, they never assume that they are always right, because these people are, as I told, open-minded people, and they know that they make mistakes. People tend to make mistakes, so they never believe that they are always right. Because if they understand there is a mistake happen or there is something which they need to change, they are always open for that, right? So they never assume that they are always right. So if what we need to do, so once we understand this is one of the characteristics, so what we need to do is, if we try to should analyze ourselves, are we same behaving the same way? Are we actually thinking always that we are the right people, or whatever we say, whatever we do, whatever we think is always right? That means we are not a smart person. So in order to become a smart person, first thing what we need to do is, we need to keep our mind open, and we understand that we are not always right. Right, we can also make mistakes, we can also fail sometime. Right, so keep my mind always open and understand that we are not right. Then they have a high level of observational skill. They are good at observations, where they know the difference between yesterday and today. They know the difference between today and tomorrow. Right, if whatever small changes happening, whatever things happening around them, they are actually having high level of observation skill. So they know that this is what changes happening, this is what happening, so that they will be able to predict the future, or they will be having the future vision, what's going to happen. So this is what's happening now, or this is how the changes are happening. Maybe next year, next 5 year down the line, this is what going to happen. So they have a high level of observational skill that actually make them more successful in their life. And a very common habit, they love books. Books are their main friends, because they love to read, they want to gather more informations, and they know that success and happiness, everything is a learnable skill, and they can learn through the books. So they love books. Right, and if you are someone who loves books, that means you are a smart person. If you don't have a habit of reading, then I request you to start create cultivating this habit of reading. Correct. Then they love problem solving, because since they know that, since they have all the knowledge, they always love to solve the problems, because problems, they understand that problems are always coming with a solution. There is a solution for every problem. So they are ready to, they are actually curious to solve those problems, because they know that none of the locks in the world get manufactured without a key. Correct. So every lock is manufactured with a key. So they know that every problems are getting created with a solution. There is a solution. So they try to find out the solution, because they have that knowledge and they have the curiosity. Right? That is another one common habits or common quality which I have seen with a lot of smart people. Then they keep few relationship, but that will be deep and meaningful, because they will not have a big number of people around them, big number of friend circle around them. They will have very few people with them, very few friends with them, but that will be highly meaningful and deep. Right, so that means they have a limited time, and they value the conversation. They are actually not interested in other activities, they are not interested in small talks. So they have only limited friend circle. Right, so that actually will be, but that limited friend circle will be always meaningful and in deep. And another one quality or the characteristics what I have seen is, they are actually socially, they may be awkward, where because some other people sometimes won't like them, because they won't spend their precious time on partying with them, or going for a dinner, or going for a movie. Right, they may be socially actually awkward, they keep away from people, they are in their own world, they are in their own thinking. Right, sometimes smart people will be socially awkward. So if you feel that you are someone who has a socially awkward, that means you have one of the characteristics of a smart people. Correct. Then they like to plan. Since smart people have some goals in their life, they always plan their life. Right, they will have a clear plan on how they can achieve something in their life, or how they can achieve something in personal or professional life. So they will have all plans with them. Correct, they will not simply just dream something and say that I want to achieve this, I want to do this. Correct, they will always have a clear plan of action, what to do, how to do, and all. Correct, sometimes it will fail, that doesn't matter, but they will have a plan. Correct. So if you see that I have a plan with me, where this is what I am going to do, this is how I am going to do, that means you are also one of the smart person. Correct. If you don't have a plan, that means you are not yet become a smart person. You need to start planning your life. Right. Then Another common characteristics what I have seen is they care about words. They care about their words. So whatever words, whatever the promise, whatever commitment they are giving, they always keep that. They want to make sure that whatever they are giving, that is delivered properly. They will not simply give you come and give you some commitment, or simply tell you something and deliver something else. No, they, whatever they say, whatever words they are giving, they will make sure that they are delivered properly, right? So that is actually showing the integrity and honesty within them. So that's one of the very good characteristics of a smart person, right? And the final one what I want to say is they're always calm and cool. Because even if any situation, they are their emotional levels are so high, so they always make sure that they kept themselves calm and cool, right? They will not emotionally get imbalanced, or they will not immediately go and jump into some arguments. No, they know that this is how the things works. They know that situation, this is how it has to be handled. So they'll be always calm and cool in their life, right? So friends, these are some of the very important characteristics of smart people. And as I told, if you have some of the characteristics, that means you are a smart person. And if you don't have, don't worry, you can actually implement this. You can actually you have already learned it, you start practicing it, you start implementing in your life, and you also become a smart person in your life, right? So friends, I hope you like the information. And I have a couple of requests. If you're not a subscribe my channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the like button, comment in the comment box, and share this video with your loved one. And also I want to invite you all to my master classes. So I have scheduled some of the master classes. So the link to register for the master classes will be mentioned in the description. So click on the link and register for the master class. Let us meet at the master class. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a happy and successful life.